With a brand new mobile-friendly interface, 13 additional settings, the ability to toggle rules on and off, and a brand new API, this is the best page rules yet. The next time you log into your account and visit Page Rules, you'll immediately see a brand new mobile-friendly interface with all the rules you previously created. If you want to add a new rule, simply click the Create Page Rule button, add your URL, and select the rule from the drop-down menu below. To the right of it, you'll see an option associated with that rule. You have the option to toggle the rule on or off, as well as set its order in the rule set. Once you click Save and Deploy, you'll see your new rule in the list. In this view, you also have the ability to toggle the rule on or off, change its order, edit, or delete the rule. Our brand new API allows you to access page rules programmatically, so you can now easily create, edit, and delete page rules across multiple domains or integrate Cloudflare into your build process. We've also included 13 additional settings to meet the needs of almost any situation. The only limitation you may face is the number of page rules available for your account. Be sure to check out our plans page at cloudflare.com/plans for more information. Interested in learning more about page rules? For additional help, go to our support page at support.cloudflare.com and check out the wealth of information that we have on this feature and many more.